have to show them to me. Let me see. Yeah. Wow, your feet, really?
Yes, she's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them to me. You have to show them to
Okay.
me. Let me see. Yeah. Wow, your feet, really?
Yes, she's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them to me. You have to show them to
Okay.
me. Let me see. Yeah. Wow, your feet, really?
Yes, she's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them to me. You have to show them to me.
Okay, and for the priest of resistance, this is what we got. She's back, Matt. See my little air bubble, but shh, don't tell nobody. You know how the nail salon lady said your finger is crooked? She didn't put the nail on crooked. That might be true, but no, I definitely put on this nail crooked. So she is not to her highest potential. This one actually went very well, oddly enough. I don't know why, but this hand always seems to be the rough spot for me. But this is how they all turned out. I absolutely really like them. I can't lie. Like, and another thing, I know you guys are wondering, how much more sturdier they are. This is me pushing, seriously pushing, like, and the whole nail is bending. So I guess the nail glue and Gel-X stuff definitely helped to give it a little bit more finesse. Ooh, sorry, but she is a lot more stronger. Let me just say that much. Like, if I show you a before and after, let's get one of the little. Why didn't I keep one out? Why do I always do this to myself? Why do I do it? Okay, so this one, just for reference, as you can see, she bent in. She's bending. This one, let's see. She is not bending. She's solid. Oh no, she bent a little bit. Let's see on this side, but this is the gel. Okay, stop. This is the other hand. Let's see. This one definitely is sturdier. Okay. Definitely sturdier. See that? And in this one we got like a little white line because we bent her just like this one. See? So I definitely would recommend using the gel in this one. And I felt like this one was going to be the good one. She's thicker. She definitely held on more, and she feels kind of like acrylic almost. This one definitely still feels like press-ons. I cannot lie. But I am, yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I definitely would recommend this one though to top coat it. Not top coat it, to build it up, just for that sturdier helping of it. Okay, they both sound the same though. So yeah, I don't think anybody will be clocking me to notice like this hand right here, this finger that I messed up, but I mean, who cares? But yeah, everything was bought with my own money. Nothing is sponsored. Please do not think that. Like I said, these nails right here off Amazon, link below. And if you don't want to do all that, that's fine too. It's no big deal. They came with these. I don't know if these come in all the packages, but they came with these, so you can kind of like, if you graceful Princess Diana-ish, well shoot, I can't even say that because Princess Diana got a little dirty sometimes. So but I mean, Queen Elizabeth, if you are Queen Elizabeth and you're super soft and gentle with your hands, I would use these. If you're gonna only use it for the day, you know, no big deal. And let's say you're military and you gotta pop them things off, definitely use these, or even a glue, because I mean, I don't think it lasts long anyway. And like I said, it came with that thing. It came with this little gluey glue, but we did not use any of that. We just used the nails, this, some Beetles nail gel, which I absolutely do love to put on the nail, but as an extender, I do not think, or a builder, I don't think it's the best because it's glue and it wasn't as thick as this one. This one, baby girl, was thick as my thighs. So I would just glue my nails on with this one, extend with or build up with this one, and then I top coated it with this one to make them matte again, because this is going to make it shiny. So top coat it with this one each time. I mean, this is less than what, maybe an hour. So, and it's definitely saved me about, what I would say, at least here in Virginia Beach, this saved me at least $200 just on the length alone, the prep work, the rhinestones, this saved me $200. I'm sorry, it just has. And it was just an hour out of my day to give myself a little self-care and love and to appreciate myself. I will continue to go to other people to get them to rub on my toes because, girl, there's nothing like it. But until next time, guys, peace, love, and a lot of hair grease for the back of your head. Love you.